Hello, friends. Today, I will tell you about how to use could in very simple English. So watch this video till the end, because after this, you will never be confused about could again. First of all, let's understand what could is. Could is the past form of can, but we also use it in different situations like polite requests, possibility, and suggestions. Now I will explain each use one by one with easy examples. 1. Past ability, what you were able to do before. We use could to talk about things we were able to do in the past. Example, I could swim when I was 5 years old. She could sing very well in school. We could play for hours when we were kids. So here, could shows past ability. 2. Polite request, very important use. We use could to ask something politely. Example, could you help me? Could you give me some water? Could you please open the door? Remember, could is more polite than can, so when you talk to elders or strangers, always try to use could. 3. Possibility, maybe something happens. We use could when something is possible but not sure. Example, it could rain today. He could be late. This idea could work. Here, we are not 100% sure, just saying maybe. 4. Suggestion, giving advice or ideas. We use could to suggest something. Example, we could go to a movie. You could try this method. They could start a new business. It means giving a soft idea, not forcing. 5. Conditional sentences, if, then. We use could in imaginary situations. Example, if I had money, I could buy a car. If you study hard, you could pass the exam. This shows something possible in a condition. Simple rule, subject plus could plus base verb. Example, I could go, she could eat, they could play. Final tip. Can is used for present. Could is used for past, polite request, and possibility. So friends, this was the complete use of could in simple English. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons. Thank you so much for watching.